Pool Guy. I had my pool opened last week. It's been 5 days and my pool is still green and not clearing up. How long should I be running my filtration system? Because I just have it on during the day, but I'm really not seeing any change.
All right, so here's what I would certainly suggest. Now more than ever, if the pool is green, you need to run it 24 hours a day. Leave your pump on and running. If it's not clearing up, you have one of a couple things. If it's staying green, is you haven't shocked it hard with chlorine. And what I would recommend is breakpoint chlorination, which is skyrocketing the chlorine, will oftentimes knock that down and the water will start clearing up. The other possibility could be your filter itself. If it's a sand filter, it might be time to change the sand in the filter because you may not be getting proper filtration. You may not be getting enough water through the filter to take the contaminants out anyway. You could potentially also have a pump issue with, if your impeller is impacted, you're not getting the water flow through the pump, therefore it's not making it into the filter and being filtered out and returned to the pool. So I would look at those three things. Skyrocketing the chlorine, I would recommend this time of year use a liquid chlorine, much faster acting. Number two, look at the filter, make sure the filter has if it's a sand filter, make sure the sand has been changed. If it's a cartridge filter, make sure that the cartridge has been cleaned or replaced. If it's a DE filter, make sure that those fingers or fans in that DE filter were first cleaned and then the proper amount of DE was put on them. Beyond that, I would suggest that you look inside the pump, make sure we don't have an impeller that's impacted with debris, and finally, make sure you run it 24 hours a day until it cleans up.